Kia ora, Rosanna here. This is a brief guide to help people who are voting for the Ngapuhi mandate in Australia. We suggest you vote online because it is easier and quicker to vote on a computer or phone. You can vote from home or on the road, and your online vote will go directly to Election New Zealand. Now, if you don't have a computer, go to your local library. They may have one there that you can use for free. So, there are 2 easy steps to vote. 1, you register, and 2, you vote. Now, we also recommend you take a picture for your own records. To vote, you need to be Ngapuhi, 18 years or older, and registered to vote. So, you need to 1, register for a special vote. You must provide personal information, including your whakapapa. We suggest this option. And 2, find out if you are already registered by calling the toll-free number Australia 1800 859 370. Election New Zealand will advise you from here on. Now, it's also important to note that voting begins on the 9th of November and ends on the 7th of December. So people, don't leave it till the last minute. So to register for a special vote, fill in the special vote registration form. And this is where you must include your whakapapa. I have a screenshot of what that registration form looks like so that you know what you're looking for. You need to also provide photo ID with your date of birth, a driver's license or passport. Now, if you don't have any of those documents, a birth certificate is also acceptable. So, download a special vote registration form from the link below, fill in the form and send it back to iro@election, don't forget it's nz.com, and wait for an email with instructions to cast your vote. To cast your special vote, once you receive your email, read the instructions and follow them carefully. Have a pen handy to write your code and access number down. Then follow the step-by-step instructions until you have completed the vote. Now, make sure you take a photo or screenshot for your records. And that's it, done. So the other thing to keep in mind is if you are already registered with the Ngapuhi Runanga, you are aged 18 years and over, then you will automatically be registered to vote. Voting papers should have been mailed to you. If you did not receive them, because perhaps your contact details may have changed, it's important for you to ring that toll-free number again, 1800 859 370, or you can email election with a Z at the end, .com to receive a special voting pack. Follow the same instructions mentioned earlier, or ask Election New Zealand to guide you through the process. Only 1 vote from you will be counted. So that's it. Simple steps on how to vote for the Ngapuhi mandate in Australia. Kia ora, this is Rosanna.